Hey all, happy 1 month until the Iowa State Fair begins. We hope you're ready to catch fair fever. I'm Jeremy Parsons with the Iowa State Fair, and we've got all sorts of exciting things this year that's going to make the fair better for you, our fairgoer, our exhibitors, our campers. So let's go around the grounds and I'll show you some of those changes. Accessibility for all of our fairgoers is definitely a goal here at the Iowa State Fair. You'll see that through some new improved sidewalks throughout the fairgrounds and this spot right outside Gate 13 by Elwell Family Park. We've doubled the amount of accessible paved parking that we have for all of our fairgoers, so make sure you take advantage of that when you come and see us August 8th through the 18th. And speaking of accessibility improvements to help you get around the fair easier, a brand new ramp into the second level of the Ag building will definitely make the fair experience better for those who want to get in there and try some of that honey lemonade. The Jacobson Lawn is becoming very popular for fairgoers to enjoy free entertainment and maybe a craft beer or two. But for sure, this year you'll find more food than ever in Jacobson Lawn, but more than that, shade structures and picnic tables. When you come back to this year's fair, both of those things will be in this area to help you enjoy that fair food a little more. And while you're here, make sure you stop in the Jacobson Center as well. Every night at the Iowa State Fair, we offer horse shows, from draft horse shows to Cowgirl Queen competitions to society horse shows. And this year, all of those nightly horse shows are free for you to attend. It wouldn't be the fair without our livestock exhibitors. And as you're already aware, we're in the midst of a $25 million renovation of our livestock barns. And we'll be excited at this year's fair that the sheep barn will almost be done. New restrooms, new paint, new roof will make for a great experience for our sheep exhibitors. And pay attention, because we'll soon be announcing what barn we're moving into next. There's nothing quite like the tradition of camping at the Iowa State Fair, and we hope this brand new shower house behind us will make that tradition a little more enjoyable for some of our campers. Shower facilities, restroom facilities, and even a small laundry facility will all be part of this restroom that hopefully you'll get to enjoy while you're camping at the fair. After all that running around the fairgrounds, you definitely are looking for a place to sit, and these benches scattered all over the fairgrounds are definitely the place to do that. The Blue Ribbon Foundation is hard at work refurbishing some of these benches, and even for the first time in more than 10 years, adding new benches. We hope you find these benches and many more, and all of the new things we've added to the fair when you're here August 8th through the 18th. Until then, we're going to finish up the Good Guys Car Show and then get ready for the fair.